girl Brinks. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Today we are gonna do some chicken breast, so you guys can see how I've already cleaned it and kind of cut it up a little bit. So now I'm just mixing my seasoning together. We are going to be pretty much air frying today. So I have olive oil in a bowl mixed with Slap Your Mama, onion powder, some garlic powder, and I'm also going to be doing some paprika and honey garlic. I don't even know what to call this chicken, y'all. So if you guys decide to make this recipe, you name it for me, because I have no idea. But we are just mixing all of our seasonings into this bowl with the olive oil, and then I am going to pretty much put it all over the chicken and throw this chicken in the air fryer. Work. So once again, y'all, I found this recipe on Pinterest and I put my spin on her chicken because she literally only had the chicken with just the onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and I think Himalayan all-purpose seasoning. Right, I'm just mixing in all the chicken, you guys, into the seasoning. And if for some reason I need to mix another one in, I will. Well, more olive oil in, I will. But I think there should be enough, to be honest. So make sure that all of it gets coated. And then last piece. This is our chicken. Alright, y'all. So now my air fryer is not that big. So let's make this work somehow. I feel like I'm only gonna be able to put like 2 pieces in here at a time. This is the point of where I really wish I took my mom up on when she asked me if I wanted to get a bigger one. I declined, y'all. But now I'm starting to see a bigger one could have freaking came in handy. Like, seriously. I don't know why I declined it in the first place. Especially when I come across recipes like this. Not to mention, y'all remember that my handle was broken off of my doggone air fryer, so I am doing some ghetto stuff. Otherwise I would have to just cook it on the stove. And we're gonna set this to chicken. What is it, 360 degrees for chicken. Alright, y'all, we're going to take our chicken, put that in there, 2 pieces. I'll do these 2. Alright, y'all, so while that is doing its thing, we are then going to take our spinach and we're going to start that. There we go. good amount of garlic. Alright, y'all, we got some fresh spinach. For the seasoning on this, I'm going to use some seasoning salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And a little bit of slap your mama. Alright, sorry y'all, just bought a new one and I had to open it. Slap your mama. Then give that a stir. Alright, now I don't know if it's just me, but I always take the initiative to rinse off my spinach even before I cook it. Because I'm sorry, it has to be double clean for me. And that is going to wither down. I got 2 bags, so it's going to have to wither on down. Alright, y'all, I'm going to let this spinach cook on down because I have to do 2 bags of this. 2 bags. And I will be right back. Alright, y'all, so since the air fryer was taking forever and it's so small, I went ahead and I cooked the last 3 pieces of chicken on top of the stove. But I did go ahead and mix my mashed cauliflower with some shredded mild cheddar. And then I did finally get the 2 pieces that were in the air fryer. They did get done. And so this was my final result, guys. And then I went ahead and I meal prepped my other bowls, just waiting for the rest of the chicken. That was the other piece of chicken that was in the air fryer. And yeah, that was it, y'all. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think. It is so hot today. But until next time, guys, I will see ya. Bye.